Today, I'm answering the most important question facing humanity right now. No, not climate change, not AI, not even political polarization. The real existential crisis is, what is the perfect iPhone case in 2026? With what might as well be countless options, this is a surprisingly hard question to answer. But never fear, it's possible that I've actually found an answer to that question. If you're either a sane person or not obscenely wealthy and you own an iPhone, you've likely got it sitting in a case. And anywhere between 80 to 90% of people do the exact same thing. After all, these things are slippery, and when glass and metal meets concrete, it doesn't usually go so well. But iPhone cases have evolved far beyond just regular protection. We need features, we need technology, we need a case that does a PhD thesis worth of things. And that's, I guess, where the TORRAS Ostand Q3 Air comes in. At $60, it's actually the same price as Apple's new tech-woven case. But in general, I'm still trying to wrap my head around the fact that phone cases are now $60 or more. I'm really loving the economy we're living in. But despite the price, just might be worthy of that cost for one particular reason. Now let's have a closer look. All right, let's crack this open. The packaging is clean, sleek, minimal, kind that makes you feel like you're unboxing something, I don't know, from a quality brand, which is important because you just spent $60 on a piece of plastic that goes on your $1,200 phone. Inside, we've got the case. There it is, which is available in various colors. This one's called Shadow Black. And they also have a Glacier Sprint, a Deep Blue, Cosmic Orange, and Forest Green. I guess pretty dramatic names. But the Shadow Black is maybe just black, but I guess calling it shadow makes you feel like a spy or something. In any case, that's the one I have here. And I have to say, if you like more technical looking phone cases, this looks pretty amazing. And it looks even better once you pop your phone into it. I really love the mix of colors here, especially the standout orange buttons and the perforated gray accents on both sides of the case, which not only look cool, but also provide extra grippiness. And I don't know if you can see on camera here, but it's nice to have some of that cosmic orange color of the phone come through the body of the case on the back as well. A couple of things to note that left me a bit confused as far as the aesthetics of this thing, though. First, the camera control button. Why did they leave it light gray instead of matching the other buttons, which are all cosmic orange? I don't know. Interesting choice. Second, this case comes with some replacement buttons, which is great. In case, any of the current ones fail, you can replace them and extend the life of your case. But again, why are these in the silver color and not matching the orange buttons on the case? Another strange decision, especially when you consider that regardless of which 5 colors you choose the case in, they all come with orange buttons. I don't know, makes no sense to me. Okay, all kidding aside for half a second, the build quality here is actually really impressive. It's made of polycarbonate, silicone, and microfiber on the inside. And it comes with this aluminum gray stand. And the whole case is 3.35 millimeters thin, which is a bit thicker than Apple's tech-woven case that, with MagSafe that comes at around 2 millimeters. But despite the added bulk, when you pick this up, it feels really premium. The materials feel smooth, almost silky to the touch. And like I mentioned earlier, there's this dot matrix texture on the side that TORRAS calls Secure Grip 2.0. The buttons also feel very tactile, and all of them have a very satisfying click. So fans of tactile buttons behaving this way will really like this case. I would say that its rigidity is almost exactly equivalent to Apple's tech-woven case as well. It feels kind of like it'll handle all kinds of drops without any issues. We'll talk about drop protection a little bit later in this video. But nobody's here for the grip dots. We're here for this little guy, the O-stand, the ring, the main character. TORRAS claims to be the creator and #1 brand of magnetic stand cases. And honestly, I guess I believe them because this thing is absurdly good. It's a 360-degree rotating aluminum ring that lays completely flat on the back of the case. You pop it up, you spin it, and suddenly your iPhone is standing there on your desk like it pays rent here or something. Vertical stand, it goes from 30 to 90 degrees, while the horizontal stand goes from 15 to 165 degrees. It snaps into preset positions so your phone doesn't slowly do the splits mid-FaceTime and faceplant into your desk, which, speaking of personal experience with lesser kickstands, is an event that happens a lot. TORRAS says this stand has been tested for 30,000 open and close cycles. 30,000. If you open and close it 10 times a day, every single day, that's 8 years of abuse, at which point, honestly, the phone itself will probably be in a museum. The ring also acts as a finger loop, so you've got a more secure grip when you're using your phone one-handed. It's great for people who like to live dangerously and take photos, while hanging off the side of a cliff. Though, to be honest, given the thinness of the ring, it's not the most comfortable thing to thread your fingers through for longer periods of time. And it also works as a camera grip. TORRAS is really leaning into the whole born for snapshot thing. Their marketing literally says this case will help you capture your epic explorations and best self. So if your selfies aren't improving after buying this, I guess that's on you. The case did its part. Now let's talk about the safety features because TORRAS has gone absolutely unhinged with the protection claims on this thing. Let's talk about the Air Max technology. There's tiny little airbags in each corner. Yeah, your case has passive airbags in it now. We live in a simulation, don't we? Anyway, the marketing says it can handle drops from 12 feet. 12 feet! That's like one story of a building. And you know what? I've seen reviewers, I'm not going to do this, but I've seen other reviewers drop it from like 3 stories high. One guy even dropped it from a moving forklift, and the phone and the case were just fine. Didn't even suffer so much as a scratch. I've accidentally dropped it a few times around the house, and once, of all places, in a snowbank, and I've not seen a chip or scuff or any other damage either. MagSafe compatibility. Yes, it's here, it's strong, and TORRAS isn't shy about it. The case packs N52 neodymium magnets with 18 newtons of holding force. For context, that's strong enough to lock onto a MagSafe charger so securely, well, it almost feels personal. No fumbling, no flopping off your charger at 2 a.m., just a satisfying snap and you wake up to a full battery. TORRAS also claims you get 65% faster charging thanks to the magnet alignment. And I've tried to verify this claim, but when I tried charging the phone on 2 separate wireless charging stands, one from Anker, the phone just wouldn't charge, or if it did, it would start and stop. I then tried Apple's MagSafe charger, and that worked. And the Qi charger in my car also seemed to charge the phone while the case was on. So I don't know what happened there. Maybe some older wireless charging stands won't work with this case. Okay, let's talk about a few things that I don't like about this case because we need to be, balanced humans for a moment. First, $60. That's the elephant in the room. There's perfectly good iPhone cases for $20 to $30, but those cases don't have a 360-degree aluminum stand, N52 magnets, or airbag corners, so that extra money is, I guess, for all of these features. The case does add a little bit of bulk. It's not ultra thin, and the bezels or borders on the front are definitely a bit thicker than Apple's tech woven case, so you'll have to get used to seeing those. Which, I guess, if you're buying this case primarily for protection, you probably won't care about the thickness or the borders. So, is the TORRAS Ostand Q3 Air worth its hefty price tag? Honestly, mostly yes. If you want a relatively slim case with amazing aesthetics, really good drop protection, strong MagSafe magnets, and a ring stand that you'll find so useful, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it, this is a top pick. The standalone changes how you use your phone. It's not perfect. It's a little bit slippery for some. It's pricey. And somewhere in a TORRAS marketing meeting, someone said the phrase, ignite your spirit, with a straight face. But the product definitely delivers on what it promises. If $60 makes you hesitate, that's completely valid. You're being a responsible adult. But if you're already spending $1,200 on a phone, $60 on a case you'll use every single day is probably not the hill to die on. Final score? I'll give this a 4 out of 5 stars. I lost 1 star for some of those minor quibbles and for participating in the pricey economy we all get to swim in. Okay, that's it for today's review. If you want to pick one of these up, I've left a link in the description below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone accessory reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.